That's why.
Okay. Point is, we're trying to do number 49 and 10.3, and there's a whole mess of words. So for people watching recordings, you need to go get the book and read this thing. So it says, in the problems to follow, use this. So we hire either ACE Construction or Space Contractors to build office space. Cool? So there's kind of two options. There's ACE or Space. I don't know why they picked two words that rhyme, because these are going to be hard to do. And f of x is the average total cost of building x square feet of office space as estimated by ACE. Cool? So ACE's estimate is f of x, and x is square feet. And f means
How much do they
average total cost
per square?
in dollars of building. Average total cost. So I'm not sure whether that's a per square foot cost or not.
What they gave before that was like in 47.
Oh, good.
It was for 2,000 square feet for ACE for 200,000.
Okay, good. So they kind of tell me that this is the total cost of constructing this. This is the reason they've got an average in here, is they're saying this is our guess about what it's going to cost you, right? And H is the total cost with space. Cool. And then they ask you some more questions, and then here we're saying at ACE. So 49 says, ACE tells us that due to economies of scale, building twice as much office space always costs less than twice as much.
What? I didn't get that.
Okay. So what they're telling me is that so here's what ACE is saying, right? Here's some office space, right? This is maybe X square feet. If I build 2X square feet, right? If I double the amount of space I'm building, this costs, right, some f of x amount, right? This costs some f of 2x amount, right? Which I would think to myself, f of 2x is probably about,
More. Twice as much.
yeah, it's probably more, and it's probably about twice as much, right? You guys see that? So I'm thinking like this is maybe about twice f of x. You guys see that? Right, that's what double this would be.
Yeah.
But they're telling me building twice as much office space always costs less than twice as much. So instead of about, what do I know here?
Less than.
Yeah, I know this number, right? The actual cost of building twice as much office space is always smaller than twice the cost of building half as much office space.
So like a deal.
Yeah, right? If I build a little more, really the thing is, right, they're building the walls too, right? So if you double the space, you don't have to double the amount of wall you're building. And the walls are more expensive or something. Or like they're paying guys to already dig a foundation, right? Like some of that is just guys to come dig. It doesn't matter how much they're digging, you still have to pay them to come dig. See that? All right, so express this statement symbolically in terms of f and x, and hint blah, blah, blah. So their hint is for me to draw the picture that I drew. So I'm saying this is the answer to 49. F of 2x is always smaller than twice f of x. Guys with me on that?
Yeah.
Cool.